Welcome to Mindfulness Flow, day 337 of the 365 Days Meditation Challenge. Today's meditation is called Soft Steady, a moment to slow down and meet your day with gentle presence. Let's begin by taking a deep breath in and exhale with ease. Sometimes the body needs softness, even when the mind wants to move fast. Today, we practice letting both settle into a calmer rhythm. Feel your breath smoothing itself out. And notice how your body softens when you let go of urgency. Now, say to yourself, I can slow down. I can meet this day gently. And I am steady in small ways. Let your breath become your anchor, a simple reminder that peace doesn't require effort, just a little willingness to pause. When you're ready, bring yourself back to the present and return to your day with this soft steadiness. Thank you for joining me on Mindfulness Flow. I'll see you tomorrow for another day of inner peace.